Hey guys, welcome to Chris Mack. For today's video, we are out in Bowie Town Center looking at this car show that they hosted for Easter, but it was moved to Saturday. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the show and what vehicles they got on display. Got this nice Boss 302 Mustang, wide wheels, big old supercharger up top. Got a E92 M3. Got a carbon splitter right there, some nice wheels, and those carbon mirrors, just sweet. Of course, you got this scat pack right here with forged carbon. Got the scat pack gang over here. It's literally cars for miles, like, seriously, wow. Got the Super, Mark 5 Super. C7 right here. It's a Stingray with a nice brown interior. Big 6.2 V8, naturally aspirated. Got a nice C8. Who could forget the CTSV? Seen this one a lot right here. Those yellow accents are nice right there. Just noise galore. We have some Camaro gang over here. Got the Camaro SS. 3 distinct generations. Nice purple right there. We got the red with the stripes. We got the black. Pontiac gang on this side. I don't really know much about used cars, or like, I mean, my bad, old cars, but I definitely need to learn a little bit more about that. Got this Rolls Royce right here. Of course, you got the Ferrari F430 right here. This thing is nice with the gold wheels. The stance is just menacing in this thing. Got an early 2000s Viper. And we got the Aston over there on that side, it's a Rapide.
Go ahead, I'm trying to let you go,
oh, you good, man. But you got the Rapide over here, Aston Martin. Like a 4-door coupe. Got the 3-wheeler coming through. Brought this dog with him. Make sure to talk over that so I don't get copyright, but you got the McLaren 570S. Nice yellow with the you see the carbon right there. Carbon mirrors. And it got the Alcantara dashboard. Oh look, there's a 992 Turbo S back there. But it is nice though with the gold rims. Got the Aston Martin 2nd generation Vantage. Nice stance right there. Silver is stunning.
What's the name of it? Ty.
And of course you got the AMG GT2RS Pro. Love this color right here with the matte gray and the carbon. And you got the lime green accents. Yeah, this is kind of me right here. There's actually a lot of room once you get inside of these. Got the big carbon wing. Oh my goodness, you got cars galore around here. It's crazy. I can't even keep track of all the cars. But we have a RCF right here. 5-liter V8. 467 horses. How power is this RCF make?
Right now, about 650 to the wheel.
659. So you got intakes, and what else you got done to it?
It's actually a supercharged.
Supercharged? Wow.
So the supercharger doesn't come from factory.
Yeah.
So I went ahead and added that, but it's basically full bolt-ons with the supercharger, deleted Cadillac resonators, water mess system. It's running on ethanol.
Nice.
with the tune. So that's pretty much the main thing.
Yeah, it's crazy though. It goes up from 467 stock to now.
If it was to the crank, it'd probably be closer to around like 750.
Wow, that's crazy.
It dynoed at like 648. So.
Wow. Yeah, it's definitely more power than that. Yeah.
Yep. But what's cool is I'm still on stock ECU. My bottom end's still stock. I'm still running stock transmission, and yeah, that's pretty much the main thing.
Nice. How many miles do you have on it?
A little over 50,000.
Nice. So you've been driving it. Good job.
Yep.
Nice.
A little over 50,000.
Yeah, I like the paint too. It's very nice.
Yep.
Got the inserts right there.
Everything on the outside is factory except for the wheels, obviously.
Make sure to follow his Instagram. Great RCF build right here. And the interior is nice. Blue stitching, the Alcantara. And the tent just brings it all in together. Yeah, I love the spoiler on these. These are nice right here. You got different exhaust on it too?
Yeah. It's a full catback exhaust system.
Nice.
Through a company called GT2RS.
GT2RS, nice. Look at that carbon right there. This thing is just stunning. It's literally an art piece.
Look how clean that is on there.
Got the Rolls Royce gang over here. Infinity gang. Got the BMW i8. Got light blue calipers and wheels. Z06 C7. Nice BRZ passing by. But yeah, this engine is clean. But yeah, this is my first actually car show I'm going to, and it's pretty exciting. Of course, who doesn't love a Lamborghini? I mean, those are nice. And got an LC 500 with red brakes and red wheels. Something a little different from the typical LC. But yeah, you got the G8 M3, stunning. This one is the HP Auto. Wheels are just clean. I think this thing is just sweet. It's a competition. Oh yeah, this color is just so stunning. I do have to admit though, the big grille on the BMW does grow on me a lot. Got the full carbon roof. Now looking over here, you do have a GT350. Nice manual transmission. And on this side, you got the CLS 63, which they don't make anymore. It's a shame. Have a Ferrari 599. Just bring back memories of the Bad Boys movie. They was driving, they was throwing off the cars. This is like the Bad Boys movie all over. Nice 991.2. Yeah, I believe it's a .2. Let me check back. Well, look at this Ferrari though. Look at that. The stitching and the nice interior work right there. Yeah, it's a 992 Carrera. You got another GT350. Look at the carbon on this one. It's like a red hue to it. With the red wheels, custom wheels. This one is supercharged. Look at that interior though, it's sick. Full white interior with red carbon. Look at that red Alcantara inside. And you got some different dials and buttons on the inside. Something different, very different. This thing is like so low. I mean, that's literally about maybe an inch or two off the ground. You got the red carbon right there. Got the new wheels and all that. This thing is just spectacular. You got a S5 over there. Here come a old Camaro SS. A Chevelle, my bad. Chevelle. Like I said, I'm still learning the older cars, but got some more Camaros over here on this side. Carbon fiber galore at these car shows. I mean, seriously. It's like an old Nissan right here. It's like, it's part of the Z lineage. But Infinity gang. You know I'm a sucker for bronze wheels in the CLS 63 right here. Got the carbon mirrors. We got Godzilla right here. GTR. And the most badass truck of America, the Ram TRX. Now, something you don't see that much is the Cadillac ATS-V coupe. Rarely see one of these. This thing is clean. I honestly like the better though when they had the ATS over the new CT4, which I don't really like. But you got the nice, it's like copper tone brakes right there. Black wheels, nice lower. What's up, man? A lot better than the CT4V. Got a nice little exhaust. Look at the carbon wing up there. That thing is just very mean and aggressive. Sounds nice. You see the slicks on them? Wow. Got a Challenger right here with the Lambo doors. I mean, it's so endless for the amount of options and customizations that goes to ATS. Here we got a CTS-V right there. Of course, you got the Chevy SS. You know this thing makes some serious power just by looking at the wheels. I mean, this thing's insane. That wild C8 over there. Trailblazer, some S4. We got the Audi RS5. Now, green and copper are like my favorite two color combinations. And carbon fiber. Wow. Got a nice CTS V-Sport. Twin turbo V6. We got a CTS-V right there. Noise for the miles. I tell you, look at that thing now. Mine's the MX-30 right there. That thing is loud right there, but I'm a sucker for these RS5s right here, the 4.2.
Yeah, that's
Wow, that thing is loud. Wow, that was actually the C7. That wasn't even the Camaro SS. But yeah, I really like the 4.2s of those. We got the Subaru gang over here and a Honda sandwiched in the middle. These Subarus make like insane power. Let me tell you, the carbon fiber is just sick on some of these cars. I mean, look at this whole hood is carbon fiber. There goes the Ferrari F430. You got air ride. I mean, this thing is like bag all the way. Damn. Damn. Yeah, this is my first car show, so it's actually exciting. Got some more Mustangs, full carbon. Now looking down this line. Got some more Chevys. Got some Corvettes, Camaros. Now on this side you got the BMW gang, which is a little bit of my personal favorite. Got an M5, F90 right here.
I had a M3 years ago, but I just retired. I said, I'm going.
This red paint is just stunning. Wow. Then we got the F80 M3 right here. M-Power. Very tail happy thing right here. Beast. It's the competition with the wheels. Got the carbon mirrors, carbon hood. This is a DCT version. Definitely putting this on my bucket list for next few years. Now let me guys know in the comments what you think. Should I get this or should I get an M340i? Right next to we got this competition, the 663S. last V8 C63 before they go 4-cylinder. It's gonna be a sad day, but this thing is clean. I mean, it looks stock on the outside, but when you look under the hood, there's nothing stock about this vehicle. Big Continental tires, the red lettering. Look at the carbon right there. This thing is crazy.
And the crazy thing about these,
I think I need a V8.
all they do is downpipe over 7.
Got a Civic right here sandwiched in the German gang. Another F80 M3. Those are GT350. BBS wheels for the front and rear. This is also a dual clutch. That thing's got nice manual transmission. Got the scat pack on this side. I'll show you guys this section over there. You see the LC500 on that side. Another CTSV, earlier generation. Got some carbon right there. Very nice.
Same car,
Got the SEAT Chargers, and then they do have an NSX over there.
That happened with Frozen, but what Murph is saying Frozen did, he said Frozen red.
And of course, you got my personal favorite. You got a Mark 7 Golf R. Plenty of experience with this. Hey, how you doing? This is a Mark 7 Golf R.
Yep.
How much horsepower, mate?
About 525.
520, nice.
Yep.
Yeah, I did drive a 400 horsepower version, APR tuned, but this thing is probably just crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got a manual dual clutch.
Dual clutch.
Blue clutch, nice.
Yep. Dual clutch, hyper turbo setup.
Nice.
About to build the motor soon, so
Yeah.
push for like 600.
Nice. Nice. I like the carbon on the hood and the yeah. This thing's stunning. Nice ride, man.
Thanks, man. Drew.
Nice to meet you. I'm Chris. But yeah, this thing is sick right here. I mean, wow, the carbon. It's carbon everywhere. Wow. You got a wow. You got a Camaro SS. The hood is cut out. Wow. This thing is huge. But of course, you know I'm a supercar guy, and I think a NSX is awesome. This thing. And you're good. Get a 3/4 view for you guys. That thing is just stunning. You got a nice C7 over there making a whole bunch of noise. Very loud. You gotta make it inches. It just vibrates like crazy. Yeah. Gotta let it prime a little bit. I'll tell you though. I mean, this thing is just. Will Smith, Martin Lawrence, you watching? I see you guys in Bad Boys too. Yeah, that's loud. Wow. It's quiet, Mr. Quiet Mercedes right there. You got the Mustangs over there on that side. Wow. thing has a menacing exhaust wing. These tips are huge. Wow. There's bad boys right there. Wow. Yeah, we got the Porsche right here, the 911, 991.
Alright, Ron.
Tell you though, this is like the car that I grew up on. This is the one right here. 991, 911. Got the Chevy SF. Nice manual transmission. I mean, wow. This thing's just growling away. Got the Audi S4, the red interior. We know the Subaru is making crazy power. We already know. Low STI. Wow. Now I think one of my favorites at this show right here is this 991 GT2RS. This one has the white sock pack. Ear rape. Oh, but so you got the full carbon right there. You got the louvers on this side, fuel tanks up front. I mean, look at the wing back here. This thing is huge. You know, of course, the engine is mounted in the back, 700 horses. This is definitely one of my favorite vehicles in the show right here. Michelin tires, the Pilot Sport Cup 2s, the bronze finish, which I'm a sucker for. I mean, look at that interior though. Got the fire extinguisher. This thing is just sweet. Carbon fiber for days. Wow.
I raced down.
Yeah. You got 7,000 miles on it? Yep. It's good to see it being used. Yeah.
When's your next race? When's your next race?
Because Wrangler was asking me, it's on the 30th of April, so it's in California. I just got back yesterday.
Yeah.
So I'm completing the test.
Oh yeah, we got the black James Bond right there. The AMG V8 just pops so loud. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Got the Dodge game right there. Scat pack. Got the Hellcat right here. Got real power. And of course, got the C63. Got the C63. It's a W204. Got the mighty 6.3 liter V8. This thing's nice. How you doing, man? Got carbon mirrors. Carbon wing. Look at that diffuser. Wow. There goes the Aston. We got the Acura NSX right there. I mean, look how low that thing is. Wow. Look at that. It's like a rolling concept right there. Wow. Just look at that. Wow. Causing noise. Oh yeah, we got the Golf R right there. Yeah. customizations for the Wranglers. I mean, each Wrangler here has its own different flavor. Some got bars, some got big tires. They all have something different about them. Some got winches and others don't. Got a Hellcat right there. Of course, we got a Ram TRX. So guys, that's going to wrap up my video on the Bowie car show. I'm gonna go ahead and ask some more questions and just, you know, look around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Easter. I'll see you guys. This is Chris signing out.